Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get fonts in Neverness to Everness. Fonts are important because you need them to unlock the free character at level 18, vehicles and properties. The main thing to understand is there's no quick or easy method to farm huge amounts instantly. Most of your fonts will come from daily activities, quests and general progression, so you'll need to play consistently. However, in the early game, there's a much faster way to get a big boost. Safes. These are scattered around the map, and if you go on a proper route to open them, you can collect a large amount very quickly. For example, when you find a safe and force it open by lockpicking, you can immediately get around 200k fonts from just one. Some locations even have multiple safes close to each other, so if you plan your route well, you can stack up to 300 grands or more in a short time. Keep in mind, these safes do not respawn, so once you open them, they are gone. That's why it's a good idea to check an interactive map and locate all safe spots early on to maximize your earnings. Aside from safes, your main income will still come from regular gameplay, completing quests, doing daily tasks and progressing through systems like Cafe Origin. As you upgrade and collect rewards there, you'll slowly build a steady income over time. So overall, there is no shortcut to getting unlimited fonts quickly. Use safes for strong early boost, then rely on daily grinding and progression to keep earning more. This is the process. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.